Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour, so without further ado, let's get started. So first we just have to walk into this hallway, and we have these two paintings that my mom painted, and this painting we got from the store. Over here is Zara and Yusha's room, and then here are paintings of us whenever we were little. Okay, so here is my room. Starting off with the bed, I have a silver bed, and it's kind of white. And it has these little designs on them. And I have this super big fluffy pink blanket and it's so soft. Over here, I just have a bunch of these pillows that came with the set. This one is just a fluffy pink one and I love it. That one I had to purchase from the store. Over here is my painting wall. And what I love about this painting is it's flippable. It goes from white to silver and it's really cool. And down right on my bed, I have this gold purse that my mom gave me. And over here, I have this pink index camera that one of my friends gave me. This is my nightstand. I got it from Wayfair, I'm pretty sure. And on it, I have this mini Google Home, this purse from Love and Betty, this clock, and this lamp. I forgot what it was called. And then here, starting off with the first drawer, I just have a bunch of random stuff in here, like an eye mask, glasses, gum. In the second drawer, I just have like my markers, like highlighters, calligraphy pens, color pencils, all of that stuff. And on the very bottom drawer, I have all of these books, and there's a lot of them. And then I just have the trash can. And my curtains, they are pink. It's kind of like a blush color. And I have this white clear one with these little designs on them. I don't know what they're called. Then over here is my mirror. I love this mirror, it's really good. We got this from a furniture shop, but I'm not sure where. Over here is my vanity, and I love my vanity. I got it yesterday, and I'm in love with it. What's really cool is the seat is super soft, and it has a rose petal over here and over here, which matches with my nightstand. So, starting off with the first drawer, I just have perfume. And in the second drawer, I have my mascara. I have this waterproof mascara and this clear mascara that I wear every day. It's clear. And I just have this chapstick. I have deodorant, my small creams, and then I have this bigger cream. In this drawer, I don't have anything yet because I'm not sure what to put in it. Starting from the top, I have these makeup brushes that I can just store in here. On top of here, you can put stuff, but I'm not sure what to put, so I just left them empty. In this first drawer, I just have a bunch of jewelry. In the second drawer, I have my lip smackers and lip gloss. And the reason it comes in a Crayola box is because they're shaped like Crayola markers, which is really cool. And then I just have these two lip glosses from Ulta Beauty. That was loud. Okay. In the next drawer, I have this watch, and it comes in this cute little bag. It is rose gold, and I love rose gold. It's one of my favorite colors. That's how it looks. I'm just putting it back in its bag. In the very last drawer, I have these two compact mirrors. This one says choose happy, and it's like an ombre. And this one is gold on the outside, and it says heart of a warrior. We'll just pick that up. On top of this drawer, I actually have something on top of it, and I have this blue candle, and this one's really good. And then over here, I have all of my scrunchies. There's 60 of them. On this compartment, I just have a bunch of pencils and pens. Right next to my vanity, this is where I keep my Chromebook and my heater. And over here is my closet. It's just basic, nothing too special. And then this says good vibes only. It has a bunch of pictures of me. And this says family, where life begins and love never ends. over here is my bathroom. Well, just normal. And then I have this decoration, and it's blush pink. And then every other heart has little gems all around it. Then this is my door, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.